What's up, guys? This is Brent with Western Equipment. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking all about the anti-vibration undercarriage system on the John Deere 333G. Now this is a new system and the first anti-vibration system that has been on a John Deere skid steer or compact track loader. So if you're in the market and looking for one of these machines, you definitely want to check this out. First, let's break down what is an anti-vibration system. Now, a lot of the times whenever we're talking about features on these compact track loaders, specifically on the 333G, we're talking about electrical features that are done in the cab where we can flip a switch to be able to change things, to be able to change those settings. But this is actually going to be a manual system that is built into your undercarriage here. Now, if you're not familiar with compact track loaders or with undercarriage in general, that term I'm meaning is the actual track system that you see here. Now, generally there are two types of track systems, and there are hard mount systems and then there are removable track systems. So on this machine, we have a undercarriage or track system that is actually bolted to the frame of the machine. The other side are going to be hard mount systems. Now, why I'm bringing this up is that there is a benefit to having the mounted on or bolted on track system. If we have that hard mount system like some other brands do, then the undercarriage unit itself here is actually welded to the frame, which is okay, but some of the benefits of having a bolt-on or mountable undercarriage system is that if we have damage to the undercarriage or track system itself, this can be removed to have service done to it or completely replaced. Whereas if we had a hard mount undercarriage system, if we had any damage to that, now we're talking about getting into the fact of maybe having to cut the track system off, replacing it, or maybe even replacing our whole unit. So now getting into what the anti-vibration system is, a little more simply put, is this is a suspension system on this undercarriage unit. Now, like I said, this is not something that we're going to have to activate in the cab. There's no switch to this. This is a manual system that is always in play whenever you have this undercarriage unit on your machine. Now, what makes up this system is 4 separate units, and 2 of them are easily visible right here on the front. As you can see, we have 2 sets of bogie rollers here. Now, this is going to be different than the traditional track system that you would see on the John Deere 333G. As you can see here, we have 4 bogie rollers that are actually on a pivoting system. So you'll see this center pin here and the center pin there, and those are actually going to be pivot points to allow those bogie rollers to move and pivot and oscillate over the ground whenever you're going over those uneven surfaces. This is one key feature to reducing that vibration. The second is going to be one that's a little less visible, that's back behind the track here. Now, what this is going to be a dual puck system, as John Deere has called it, that is a rubber isolator system. So what we have is where the undercarriage mounts to the machine, we have a bolted on plate there. Then we're going to have a dual puck. So we're essentially going to have 2 circles, one that mounts to the machine, one that mounts to the track system, and within those is going to be a rubber isolator system. So we're going to have one of those here at the front and one at the back, giving us 2 points of pivot and give and suspension here on this undercarriage system. Besides the obvious fact that this system is going to reduce the vibration in your machine, let's talk about what that means as value to an operator. For one, it's going to reduce the amount of fatigue in the cab, being as that we know whenever we're using these machines, oftentimes we're on those uneven job sites. Maybe we're working along the side of a hillside, and with a stiff, rigid mounted track system, you are going to feel every single bump in the road or in that workspace. And with this system, you are going to decrease that and decrease the vibration and noise in the cab there by 23%. I know that it's hard to put a value on that. What does that actually mean? But this is something that you would definitely want to get in the cab of one of these and try it out to see for yourself. Now, some of the other benefits that you might not think about. For one is going to be track life. Having the ability to have that suspension is going to mean less wear and tear on those tracks. If the undercarriage is giving along with those bogie rollers, you're going to be able to have slack when you need it to go over those bumps and to take on that rigorous terrain that you're going to be on. So you're going to increase the amount of track. Now, also, like I was talking, on the side of a hill with the ability of having that suspension, whenever you're on that side of the hill, you have to think about with that suspension system, when you're on that side, you are going to have a little more balance there. It's going to balance that weight out and allow you you to have that better traction on a hillside. And another benefit, and maybe most importantly to you out there, is going to be material retention in the bucket or on the attachment that we have on the front of our machine. So for instance, here we have a bucket of dirt. Now, if we were doing things like moving dirt, moving gravel, maybe we're unloading pipe and unloading other materials with pallet forks, things of that nature. Whenever we're moving those things and we have this anti-vibration system on our machine, you're going to reduce that vibration, reduce the chance of that material bouncing out. And also along with that, when you have the addition of ride control with the anti-vibration system, the material retention for these machines is outstanding. So if you're that guy, like I said, that is moving lots of material, doing lots of dirt work, moving stuff with the front of your machine, no matter what type of implement you have on, this is definitely something that you need to look into. Now, before I hop in the cab and give you the visual of what this undercarriage system can do, let's talk about what sets this apart from other brands that are out there on the market, because I know the comment is coming, Brent, this is not the only machine that has a suspension system. Bobcat, Caterpillar, ASV, multiple other brands have been doing it for years, and yes, that is true, but this system is different, as a lot of those are going to use a torsion axle system, which means you will have two torsion axles on each side, having one in the front, one in the rear. Some are even going to have another link on that rear torsion axle to give even more suspension there. But the difference between this dual isolator system on the John Deere and a torsion axle system is mainly whenever we're talking about raising up heavy loads, or we're talking about weight distribution in general. Now, on a torsion axle system, if we have more weight in the front, we're going to be putting more stress on that front torsion axle. Same thing back here at the rear. If we're going up a hill, we have more weight here at the rear, we're only working that rear torsion axle. Whereas on this system, these are going to work in unison. So when we have those heavy loads there at the front or heaviness here at the rear, it's going to better evenly distribute that weight and actually cause this machine to squat rather than pivot forward or pivot back. So that is a big plus. Now, talking about the bogie roller system here, now this is something that has been seen on other machines. Caterpillar actually used to make a machine that had this system, and then the ASV skid steers still use the bogie roller system here, have those pivoting and oscillating bogie wheels there. But one thing that sets us apart here is that our bogie wheels are going to be steel rather than rubber. So what you're going to see is a lot less wear and tear here, and also, as you can see, they are enclosed. And on those other systems, this is going to be a more open design. That's going to be a more free-flowing. If we have material that builds up or gets stuck in between those wheels, it's going to easily spit it out. But the thing that you have to keep in mind is that with that, even though it's going to be getting that material out, you're still going to be causing damage to those rubber wheels. Whereas here with this enclosed system, you have a lot less chance of that buildup and debris, and a lot less chance of wear and tear, especially on the wheels and on the track. All right, so I've got my camera set up here in the cab. We've also got a couple outside so you can see those bogie wheels, and then also a camera set up so you can see me going over this pile of dirt here. I'm going to go out, turn around, come back, and go back over it, just so you have a good visual of how this system works. And then we will change up camera angles and we'll take a drive going across a few of the gravel driveways, a couple of dips going up and over things, so you can really see that material retention. So let's get started. So on this go round, I'm going to go back over those same bumps, but I also have my ride control engaged right now. So what this is going to allow to do is, not only am I going to have that suspension down there on the track system like we've talked about, but I'm also going to have that suspension right here at the boom that's going to go up and down. So just take a look at that whenever we're going over these bumps. right there, guys, I know you couldn't see it, but I lost absolutely no dirt out of my bucket. I'm gonna grab a camera, put it here on the boom so you can experience that right there. And also so you can see the dirt and everything whenever I'm traveling here as I'm about to go across the way, across the driveway, into some gravel to show just how quiet it is in this machine. Nothing. Boom's moving, ride control's working well. Anti-vibration system is just about as good as you could ask for. All right, I think we'll swap these cameras out, put them on the regular mount, the regular undercarriage, the hard mount, no anti-vibration system. Go over these piles real quick, go over that over there, just so you can hear the difference and see how much more I'm gonna be moving in that thing. Okay, we are in the regular undercarriage machine. You can already see a difference in the vibration. I can see it just watching the camera here. All right, now keep in mind we're going over dirt and grass here. You guys can already hear it. Such a difference. Everything's stiff. The machine still rides good. And the John Deere's, they ride good, but it's night and day with that anti-vibration system. Just going over our driveway. I know you guys can hear that. Get out here in our gravel and do a little turnaround. You can hear those windows vibrating. Time here. Jeez. I think just from that short clip there, you can hear, you can see the difference in the camera shake. So I hope this video helped you out. I hope you were able to find some value in this video, or you liked this video. And if you did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because that helps me out as well. Also, guys, if you have any other questions or comments, or you feel like I left anything out, make sure to leave that down in the comment section below so I can be sure to get back with you. And then also, guys, if you're looking for any other information on these compact track loaders or any other John Deere equipment, make sure to check out the rest of our Western Equipment channel. And if you're looking for how-to videos, maybe how to install, how to service, do different things on your machines, make sure to go check out our other channel, 247parts.com. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to check out this cool video and this one. Buy your parts right up here and subscribe right here.